It's showtime!
Oh god, he's pissed, he's pissed!
Tornado or what? I should kick your f***ing ass!
To provide the most consistent warning service miles an hour. The alert tones are only activated for the following counties in the EAS 970 emergency area in Illinois, Tennessee, California, Clinton, Prius, jet receiver, Washington, and Wayne. The alert function. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Tonight. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Mostly cloudy. 2 inches. Sleet accumulations around 1/2 of an inch. And ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch. For portions of south central and southwest Illinois. Portions of east central Missouri. From noon today to midnight Thursday night.
Alright. That was St. Louis. Let's see who did their test properly. Alright, 262, you activated properly. Sanjian, you activated. WR400, WR300 version 8. The 74210, no, 74200, my bad. The Recom R6050D. The Alert Works. The 519. The Zone Guard. Well, you activated, but you're almost a low battery, so I'm probably going to switch you out with the Sanjian, so, yeah.
Automatically activate special receivers to warn automatically activate special receivers to warn the impending hazard between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. On the first available good weather day, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. The warning alarm feature will normally broadcast, and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. Quality receiver. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming. Here is a special weather statement. Minor snow and ice accumulation tonight. A period of wintry...